Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add HBO Cinemax to Amazon Prime. This is a great way to expand your streaming options and access premium content directly through your Prime Video account. Let's dive into it. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After you've signed in, look at the top toolbar where you'll find the Prime Video option. Click on that to access the Prime Video section, or if you prefer, you can navigate directly to Prime Video by typing it into your browser. This step takes you to the main hub where all your streaming content lives. Now that you're in Prime Video, shift your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a search button there. Click on it and type HBO Cinemax into the search bar. This will pull up the results related to HBO's premium content offerings. From the search results that appear, you'll want to click on HBO Max. This is the channel you'll be adding to your Prime Video subscription. Once you've selected HBO Max, you'll see an option that says Start Your Bundle Subscription. Click on this button to begin the process of adding HBO Cinemax to your account. This action will prompt you to set up a payment method if you haven't already done so. The system needs to know how you'll be paying for this additional service. At this point, you'll be presented with different payment options. You can choose to add a credit or debit card, or you might have the option to enter a gift card, voucher, or promotional code if you have one available. For this example, let's say you're adding a credit or debit card. Go ahead and click on Add a Credit or Debit Card. Now you'll need to enter your card details. Fill in the name on the card exactly as it appears, then enter your card number, expiration date, and the security code typically found on the back of your card. Make sure all this information is accurate to avoid any payment issues down the line. Once you've entered everything correctly, click Add Your Card. This saves your payment information to your Amazon account. After adding your card, you'll see a Continue button appear. Click on Continue to finalize your HBO Cinemax subscription. The system will process your payment method and confirm your subscription to the service. You might need to wait a moment while Amazon verifies your payment details and activates your access to HBO content. And that's it. You've successfully added HBO Cinemax to your Amazon Prime account, and you can now start streaming all the premium content that comes with it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.